The Cardiff Partnership for Initial Teacher Education provides our students with the opportunity to work in some of our strongest schools. As a result, they're working with some highly skilled practitioners and leaders, many of whom are our former students here at Cardiff Met.
The benefits to schools within the partnership are quite significant. First of all, it's allowed us to develop a professional dialogue around teaching and learning. It's allowed us to really think as schools within the partnership how we enhance the profession and make it a better environment for our teachers to go into the future.
Ready? Go on then, pop them in. Okay, wow.
We've been through a rigorous accreditation process and we were awarded the opportunity to deliver our 3 programmes in Cardiff Met. The PGCE Secondary, PGCE Primary and BA Primary Education with QTS. The offer we have here in terms of initial teacher education at Cardiff Met is really quite unique and prepares teachers to work not just in Wales but across the UK and further afield.
I really like the variation and the mix of university-led teaching and then also much more hands-on teaching in our placements. I think it's really valuable.
As fast as lightning, I love that one, lovely.
I think if you're aspiring to be a teacher, I would definitely look at Cardiff Met. You can always guarantee on support from your university tutor and they generally do care about you. You know, even if it's the little things like worrying, they're there for you. And I think that's priceless then when you have someone that you can turn to regardless of an issue of how big or small.
Students will have the opportunity to have a subject mentor work alongside them who will be able to give very specific guidance within their chosen discipline.
Having a mentor throughout the placements has been an absolute massive help. They're always there whenever you need them to sort of push you and also offer advice to give you constructive criticism because at the end of the day they just want to make you a better teacher.
Research is embedded in everything that we do and we draw on the expertise here at the university at Cardiff Met but also the 2 universities that we work very closely with as part of the Cardiff Partnership. Together, working with our research champions in our lead schools, we aim to improve the research culture in education so that we are able to demonstrate the impact of what we are doing, not just with our student teachers, but what teachers are doing with their pupils in schools.
Working alongside the universities allowed us to be much more focused in terms of our inquiry, and that is enhancing the delivery of our teachers in the classroom.
We are completely committed to the development of the Welsh language, regardless of the fact that our students may be first language Welsh students or not. We have invested heavily in ensuring that our students have an understanding of Welsh and can take this into the classrooms that they work in and to the schools that we collaborate with.
Yn Gymraeg, fi'n dweud nes I ddweud wrth yr arwerthwyr, ia?
O fi'n ffodus iawn I gael tiwtor gefnogol iawn, oedd o'n neud siŵr oedd ei angen unrhyw help gyda'r iaith. Nes I ddod I Prifysgol Metropolitan Caerdydd bron heb siarad iaith am 2 mlynedd. Oedd bach o wythnosau cyntaf gefnogaeth yna na I byth anghofio.
People outside of Wales are looking at what we're doing in terms of the curriculum that we're offering and the way that we are training our teachers. I also think that students are exceptionally well supported, again, by staff who work across the partnership in the university as well as in our partner schools.
As we move forward, we're always going to be in a position where we're delivering the very best education for our children in schools and allowing teachers to have the very best practice for when they find themselves in those classroom environments.